My name's Mark Malkoff. I'm nominated tonight for Celebrity Sleepover on my damn channel for Best Directing and Best Writing. I'm very excited for that. Yeah, who knew? When I went out to LA, that famous people would let me sleep over at their homes. I emailed, used Facebook, and sent letters, and they said, can I sleep over? And 13 people said yes. Who knew? And then I'm trying to get, my current project is I'm trying to get Bill Murray to have dinner with me in my apartment in Queens. So I have Bill Murray's 800 number. He doesn't have an agent, manager, or a publicist. So everyone that wants to work with him has to call an 800 number. So Sofia Coppola had to call that 800 number for 5 months to try to get him to do Lost in Translation. So Bill Murray, if you're watching, have dinner with me. My wife Christine makes excellent lasagna. Seriously, call me.